Hey folks, you guys ever wonder why your defroster works in some places and some not? Okay, this is an old car. See those little lines that run across? It runs across from the left to the right. Okay, electricity comes down on one side, it has to run across and connect to the other side. Okay, so these lines have to be perfectly not disturbed, not damaged in any way. Turn on the electricity, whether you turn on the switch, on the defroster switch has a little timer, usually 15 minutes, because you don't want to heat it up. These lines are actually on the outside of the glass. Okay, they can be chipped, they can be ripped apart with your nails, they could wear out from cleaning the glass a lot. I'm going to show you on the parts that doesn't work here. I'm going to show you. It's like it's actually a dark wire, but if you look close enough, now you can see it here. No, you can't, but you can see it. You see like there's a little gold spot. You can see that it's worn out here. See it right there? That's not connecting. It's damaged. That could be from cleaning, wiping, throwing something back there. You know, not to stuff the animals, but anything else that can go back there and damage the wire. If you damage the wire, that's what's going to happen. It's not going to make a connection. It's not going to work. So the only ones that are going to heat up are the ones that are working, that are connected. All right. So there is a kit. They sell a kit for this. I don't know if it works or not. They're kind of like ugly. It kind of repairs the line a little bit for you, especially if you got a big damaged item. But otherwise, you have to buy a glass. All right. The glass comes with the wire. That's what you have to spend. This thing is 20 years old. They're not going to go for the glass. All right, so you just got to deal with what you got. Put your front defroster on. And that's what you can do. All right, ciao.